What's up, guys? So here's a quick video on how to get started with PromptVC. You can find the extension on VS Code if you type in PromptVC. Let's go ahead and install it. Once it's done installing, you can see the icon pop up here, and it'll give you an instruction on how to get started. So we'll need we'll need the CLI. So let's go ahead and install it. Once that's done, we need to config the CLI into our Codex or Gemini directory. So this is going to go ahead and add the scripts that we need. So once that's done, our PromptVC is good to go. So now we're going to initialize it in a repository. For example, I'm going to use this repository. Go ahead, initialize it, and you'll see this directory pop up where all your sessions will get captured. So let's go ahead and start a Codex session. And let's say we're gonna say update the README to have a new title called testing. And this should also go ahead and update everything. There you go. I hope you were able to hear that noise. So once the response is done, it does the ding sound. You can turn it off and on here. As you can see in here, you have an in-depth view, much like a PR of what was changed and whatnot. So yeah, that's all we have for now. Let's talk about some of these features here. So you can download this entire session. I'm gonna download this, and if you click here, it opens up our web portal. So in here, I can just upload that session that I just downloaded, and you should be able to see everything over here for a better web view. Another thing is that you are able to see it per session. So as you can see, we used Codex, so the OpenAI logos here. For future, once I add Claude and Gemini, you'd be able to see everything in a nice timeline. But yeah, that's pretty much it. PromptVC. Hope you like it.